Today we will see the side boxes. Sunway Taiyu is the world's fastest supercomputer. It is developed by China's Research Center of Parallel Computer Engineering and Technology. You have to learn the full form. NRCPC means National Research Center of Parallel Computer Engineering and Technology. Sunway Taiyu is the world's fastest supercomputer. This is the fastest supercomputer. Tianhe 2 is also the this is as per the previous trend. You in your book it will be a Tianhe 2. You can learn that Tianhe 2. You can learn that. Now this is per the previous survey, that is Sunway Taiyu. Now it is Tianhe 2. Lady Ada Lovelace, a mathematician, is regarded as the first computer program. She was the daughter of famous English poet Lord Byron. So Lady Ada Lovelace is a mathematician, and she is also regarded as the first computer programmer. She is the first computer programmer. Moving to this, if there are several pieces of source code in a program, they can be linked together into one program with the use of a program called linker. Suppose you have many source codes, 2-3 source codes, which can be combined together into a single program by using a linker. Suppose you have source code 1, source code 2, source code 3, many programs. This can be combined together and will make a single source code program by using the program known as linker. It can be combined together and make into one program by use of linker. The linker runs on the machine code generated by the compiler to generate a final program. So the linker will be on the machine code. It is written on the machine code and it is generated by the compiler to generate a final program. So this one large program will be converted and will be done into a final program. This final program is executed by the user. The user will execute the final program. Next one is Param. Param is a series of supercomputer designed and assembled by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC, India. It is developed by CDAC. Param is the series of supercomputer. The latest machine in the series is the Param Kanchenjunga. The latest series is Param Kanchenjunga. Very important. Syntax are the rules governing the information of statement in a programming language. I already discussed that every language has its own specific rules. So that rules are known as syntax. Syntax are the rules governing the formation of statements in a programming language. Syntax are the rules. It will govern how to form a programming language, how to write a programming language. See, a program I have written here. This has special syntax. I have used many things. Yes, this is known as syntax. How to write a programming sentence. This is statement. So, how to write a program statement, it is done by the syntax. So each program has its own syntax. We have to follow that syntax. These are the rules that govern the formation of a statement in a programming language. In software development, beta release refers to a product or a technology which is still in development but is released only for testing and evaluation process. What is mean by beta releases in software development? What is it? You will give input. You will give input. According to that, they will start to make design. And then they will write the code for that. And after that, there will be known as beta release. In this process, what is happening means it will release the software. It will release the software not for the users, but just for testing. That is whether the software works properly or not. For testing, it will release the software, that is known as beta release, and after testing, if there is no problem, then only the software will be released properly for a use. So in software development, beta release refers to a product or a technology which is still in development but is released only for testing and evaluation purposes. Thank you.